Hey friends, how are you? We are going to be making a narwhal today. So let's get started. We're going to first make some waves because this little guy is going to be popping out of the waves. So this is how you make a wave. You make a curved line like this, and then you make another curved line that comes down, and then you repeat this pattern. It is kind of tricky, so you might want to practice this a little bit before you start your final drawing. It's tricky. And this is the ocean waves. So for our actual narwhal, we are going to make a shape. It's kind of like a U shape that's upside down, but that's also going to the side. Just like that. Right here at the top, we're going to put his horn. So we are going to make a slanted line, and his horn is going to come out and touch those slanted lines. And then we are also going to put some lines inside of his horn, just like that. All right, let's go back down and we're going to make some small eyes and a little smile and some little fins. Oh, he is so cute. All right, there you go. There's your narwhal. If you'd like to put some more detail on this, maybe some fish swimming down here, maybe a moon or a sun up in the sky or some clouds, that would be a great idea. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.